Alright everyone, and once again we are back in with the third video on the day. And to be honest with y'all, I've been dying to check out this case from this manufacturer for a long time, and I got a really great deal on it, and I figured I cannot pass it up. And y'all know I am a big fan of fully protected, ruggedized cases, and y'all know once I saw this at the price that it was at, I had to check it out. Last case in the series, last unboxing in the inexpensive cases for the iPhone 11 series. What do we have here today? We have my unboxing and first impressions of the ArmadilloTek Vanguard series case for the iPhone 11. Here we go. So let's unbox it. Let's check out the packaging first. Then we're gonna unbox it. Then I'm gonna give my first impressions. I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. Then we're going to wrap the video up. So let's go. Checking out the packaging here. I have to say this packaging looks really nice. Now I decided to go with a little bit different color scheme. Y'all know typically I go with a black or a blue and black, but I thought that the orange looked good and the black and white looked good. I figured let's mix it up. Let's go with the black and white. So that's what I picked up here. But this packaging looks really good. Okay. Military grade protection. Vanguard series. Okay. Military spec 810G drop protection. Okay. So this is a fully ruggedized case. And it does come with some warranty. So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. And a little bit of a website right here. Company branding right there. Vanguard series right here. Military grade ruggedized protection. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Alright, let's crack it. Let's see what it do. Alright, so let's see. Sliding it out. Anything else in the box here? Nope. Put this off to the side. Okay. And we are greeted right with the case up front. Okay. Nice little beefy foam insert here. That's crazy. That bad boy thick. Alright. Rest this off to the side here. Then we have our plastic front guard protection with a nice little plastic screen protector built in. I'm going to show y'all how to install this in a second. Let's rest this down. What else do we have here? Okay. So a little thank you card. Let me see what's on this thank you card here. Okay. Thank you from Dallas, Texas. ArmadilloTek.com. Legendary protection from Texas. Okay. And oh, it's an instruction booklet. Okay. So they give you full written instructions on how to install it. Cool. So let me show y'all this, even though I'm going to walk y'all through it. So they give you full picture instructions right there on how to install the case. They give you full written instructions, okay? And they do show you that it has a built-in kickstand and a built-in screen protector. So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. Right? Okay. Alright. And they do have a support website, and it does come with 1 year of limited warranty. You can see it right there. Okay? So if you have any issues, you hit them up, and you definitely want to activate your 1 year warranty if you pick up this case. Okay? Important information, customer satisfaction. Okay, and then again, thank you right down at the bottom. Alright, so they really went out of their way to cover all the bases with this case. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see indeed. Okay, so taking this out the way, let's now get on to the installation. So the first thing you want to do is remove the plastic here from the outside. Then we're going to also remove the plastic from the inside. So let me get my finger in there. Okay, boom. Then what you want to do, put this plastic off here. Boom. Just gonna rest this down. You don't really, my bad, didn't mean to bump the camera there, sorry y'all. You don't really want to get it dirty, but the first thing you want to do is wipe off your display. So let me get my microfiber cleaning cloth. You want to make sure your display is wiped down. That's very clean and crispy, because once it goes on, it's going to be really hard to take it off. So get that display real nice and crispy. Here you go, it looks good. Then you're going to take the front and snap it on. So we're just going to go like this and snap it into place. Just like that. And the front display is on. Alright, let me wipe it off again. Okay, and we're good. Just like that. And then you want to take the back portion, line it up, and drop it on. Okay, so I actually find it's easy to either start with the volume buttons or start with the charging port. So whichever way you think is easiest, you're just gonna line it up and drop it in. Then you're gonna take it and work it around. So we're gonna take this part here and work it over and work it around and press it down. Okay, so that's one side is in, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So again, pick it up, push, press, just like that. Make sure it clicks into place. All right, click, 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 push, 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 pick up, fold over, push, 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 just like that. So now it's partially on, and you just want to take your fingers and pinch real good. So pinch, 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 pinch. Make sure you're getting it nice and snug. You see how it's going in nice and snug? That's what we want. Nice and snug here. Pinch, 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 till it's nice and snug. Let me go all the way around. Pinch, 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 pinch. Okay, I gotta fold this over a little bit more. Okay, and then press. Fold and press. Fold and press. Get it on there nice and snug. You see how all the corners go flush? That's what we want. We want all the corners to be nice and flush. And now the case is fully installed on our device. Let me wipe down my camera lenses one more time. Camera lenses nice and clean. Okay, charging port. Get that flap in there. Boom. And that is how you install the ArmadilloTek Vanguard series on your iPhone 11. So really easy, really straightforward process. You just want to take your time, make sure everything lines up, and you want to just pinch everything with your fingers and hands till it's nice and snug and looks like this. All right, so let's check the power buttons. So power button works perfectly, still nice and clicky. Let's check the volume buttons. Okay, volume button works perfectly, nice and clicky. We got all the appropriate cutouts, so microphone, speakers, got a nice little protective flap for our charging port. Okay, push that in when you're not charging, get that dust out of your charging port. Fully protected power button, fully protected volume rockers. Still got cut out for our mute slider. Let's check this. Yeah, we can still get in there and get to our mute slider, no problem, even with no fingernails. A really nice and beefy protective lip, and we got that nice protective screen protector on the front. So really beefy protective lip, very nice indentation for the cameras, so you're definitely not gonna mess your cameras up. Okay, really good stuff there. Really good stuff there indeed. Let me check out the screen sensitivity. Okay, so face unlock still works. Screen sensitivity wise, looking good. Looking real good. So, and this one has a much better high quality built-in screen protector than the other full protective case that I picked up. So you can definitely notice a quality difference between this one and this one. But then again, the difference in price between the two is very big. This one was only like what, $6? This one was about 20 bucks. So big difference in price, big difference in quality, but it shows, okay? It really shows. All right, so good stuff there indeed. All right, let's check wireless charging before I get up out of here. Okay, that's another important feature. Let's make sure that works. Okay, wireless charging works, no problems there. All right, so even with this big, beefy, full protective case, wireless charging gonna work, no problems. No problems indeed. Okay, all right. All right, let's put that down. All right. Okay, y'all. Oh, let's check out the kickstand. I was about ready to wrap it up. Let's check out the kickstand. So it should just be able to pop out. Yep, it pops out and then you lock it into place. Okay, and then there's your kickstand. So if you want to watch YouTube videos and movies and you don't want to hold your device, you do it like that. I think you can also stand it up too. Yep, you could do it like that for conference calls. And I think you can also put your finger in there too. So yeah, it does give you a nice spot to rest your finger if you want extra support while you holding the device in the case. So fully featured kickstand, and then when you're done, just press up. It's gonna pop out, and then you're good to go. So here we go. Here, let me see. How do I locks into place pretty good. Alright, so do I have to lift? Alright, hold on. What do we do here? Alright, hold on, let me figure this out. Alright, I'm sorry, it's my first time. I wanted to make sure I didn't break anything. But when you open it, it just pops out. You want to make sure you keep it slotted in the bar there. And you slot it down into place. And then it clicks into place. And then it's in, and you can use it. And then when you're ready to close it, you just want to press down ever so gently. Okay? And there you go. My bad, I had to take it to the user manual. Again, didn't want to break anything. It's my first time, but that's how the kickstand works. And we're good to go. Praise the Lord for user manuals, right? I didn't want to break anything, especially if I spent my hard-earned money to get it. We definitely don't want to break it on our first outing. But this, guys and gals, has been my unboxing and first impressions of the ArmadilloTek Vanguard series case for the iPhone 11. All right? As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, even though I kind of stumbled through that last part. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also feel free to follow me on all the social media platforms. I'll link up all my social medias down below. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live. Alright? That being said, if this video did pique your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up this case at some really great prices, all the affiliated links to where y'all can pick up this case at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links, meaning that when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone in my opinion, okay? So, as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today has been recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It was recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Okay? That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Oh man, honestly, man, I don't know now. Now I don't know. I bulk recorded these 3 videos, and now I honestly don't know which case I want to review first. I honestly don't know, y'all. You know what? We'll start with the Vanguard series first, and then we'll go to the carbon fiber, and then we'll finish up with the Meifigno. So we're gonna probably do this one from most expensive to least expensive. So this full review will be out in about a week from the publishing of this video. So y'all be on the lookout for that. All right? And I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We are out of here. Peace.